Hello, everyone. Let's wait for another 2 minutes for others to join too. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks, Brandon. Thanks, Marcus. Thanks, Mario. Thanks to there are a lot of people here. Grateful. Thank you so much for joining the meeting. Let's wait for another 2 minutes for others to join too, and we'll start going from 2 minutes. Hello, Tim. Hope you are doing good. Thanks for asking. Yeah. Hey, Henry. Yeah. Few more seconds, and then let's get started. Just few more seconds. Thanks for coming to the event then at the short notice. Thank you everybody. So okay, let's get started. I hope we all are getting connected after holidays, right? I hope everybody is doing fine. So yeah, just wanted to thank each one of you who has joined this session. This session is to show you the updated version of the AI system. And actually, we are trying to do a grand launch by next month in North Carolina, I guess. Yeah, we are still deciding on the venue, but before that, we just wanted to do a preview of a grand launch and show this product to our design partners and early adopters and premium users. And I welcome each one of you to the BookingBee.ai 2.0, a pre-launch event of 2025. Before I start this webinar, this session, I just wanted to start this event with a short story. Let's say you're salon and spa on the busiest day. Your phones are ringing nonstop. Clients are walking in. Some of your clients are waiting on the call to book an appointment. I guess all would have gone through this scenario, right, in your business and felt hectic at some day, like a lot of getting so much calls. That's why we have got Booking Bee for you. Booking Bee could answer n number of calls where your client need not to wait to call anyone to wait anymore on the call until your call agent finishes. So we are thrilled to show you the new AI system, comparing it with the AI system we have it right now. Now I will show you the AI system which you all have tried and have been using it.
AI assistant of Catalyst Salon. How can I help you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Sure. Which service would you like to book?
I would like to book for a men's cut.
Great choice. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Mark.
Thank you, Mark. What date would you like to book your men's cut for?
I would like to book it on January 22nd at 4 p.m.
Thank you for choosing our salon. Your men's cut with our stylist is confirmed for January 22nd at 4 p.m. If you need any additional help, feel free to call us. Have a great day.
Yeah. So isn't it great? The AI took care of your client call. It asked for the service, it asked for the time and date, and finally, it gave the confirmation and booked. But BookingBee didn't restrict from just providing only this. We just wanted to update it on new version. Like just wanted to show you that. So before showing you the new AI system, I just wanted to give you a brief on what we have in the new AI system. So first, let's start with the voice and communication enhancement. So we have enhanced the AI voice to provide your customer with a warm and inviting booking experience. And with the interactive communication, clients are engaged mid-response and making the booking process smarter and smoother. But additionally, we have improved this conversation accuracy from reducing the response from 1 second to 500 milliseconds. Let me give you an example. Like picture this, a client call, and instead of a robotic tone, they just hear a warm human-like voice, guiding them seamlessly. That's our new AI. It doesn't just understand you better, it interacts more naturally too. Now let's see how smarter the scheduling are done and carried by the AI system. The new AI system is insightfully engaged, which can upsell your service and understand your calendar more than the human and keep updated. Let me give you an example. A client called to book an appointment. Your call agent gathers detail about the service, prefer stylist or therapist, and prefer time too. But after checking the schedule, it turns out the requested time slot isn't available. Now your call agent has to search for an alternative time slot, all while other clients are left waiting on hold. This process not only consumes valuable time, but also risk frustrating your clients too. But we have created a solution to eliminate this hassle for you. Now let's see how the AI system has evolved technically. So we have trained the AI system with the millions of parameters on the salon and spa conversation, which we obtain from the valuable customers, which makes the AI system to take appointments 10x faster and smoother. Now we didn't just handle this solution alone. Now, just that it can handle infinite parallel calls with the same speed and accuracy, which eliminates the need of the hunt group. Now, let me give an example for this. Let me give you two examples, a one with the scenario without the AI and the one with the scenario with the AI. So let's see how the scenario with the AI without the AI works. Let's imagine a busy salon receiving multiple calls simultaneously during your peak hours. A call agents or the staff members manages one call at a time, with the other caller waiting on the queue. This often leads to the longer waiter time, missed call, or need for a hunt group. Now let's assume you have a AI system to your business. Now let's say the same salon, equipped with our AI system, a client called to book an appointment, and within the second, the AI handles the request smoothly and confirms the booking. Meanwhile, 20 other client call also are handled simultaneously with the same speed and accuracy without any delays or queues. Now let's see what is the advantage that you get it from this AI system when you use it in your business. So the first one you get is a faster booking, which is 10x improvement. The second, you don't have zero waiting time for your customers. The third, you have no need to have any additional staff, which saves your cost. And the fourth, it enhances the customer satisfaction as every call is answered instantly. So this is an AI capability that is going to transform your salons and spa, ensuring a seamless operations even during the busiest hours. I think I have said enough. Let's see how the AI has been updated to a newer version.
An AI assistant of Catalyst Salon. How can I help you today?
I want to book an appointment.
We have several categories. Which category are you looking to book?
I would like to book for a men's cut.
Great choice. The men's haircut is available, and we also offer some related services like beard trim, hair coloring, and hair spa if you're interested. Would you like to add any of those to your appointment?
Yeah, can you include hair spa?
I can include hair spa.
Can you include?
Sure, I'll include the beard trim along with your men's haircut. Could you please let me know your preferred date and time for the appointment?
I would like to book it on January 22nd at 2 p.m.
Let me check the availability for these services right now. Your appointment can be scheduled for January 22nd at 2 p.m., which will include a men's haircut followed by a beard trim. We have a few stylists available during that time. Henry, David, Nick, Henry, each do you have a preferred stylist from this list, or should I proceed with that one?
Yeah, can you book with David?
I am booking your appointment now. It seems that the requested time slot at 2 p.m. on January 22nd is unfortunately not available. However, I can offer you some other available slots with David Meg. 11:30 a.m., 12:30 p.m., 12:15 p.m., 1 p.m. Would any of these times work? I'm booking your appointment now. Thank you for choosing our salon. Your men's haircut and beard trim appointment with David Nick is confirmed for January 22nd at 12:30 p.m. If you need any additional help, feel free to call us. Have a great day.
So wasn't it great? Like it upsold the service and it understood the interaction. As I said earlier, it is trained with the millions of parameters on the salons and spa conversation. And also, it responded faster. That is 10x better than the previous AI system, as the conversation latency has been reduced from 1 second to 500 milliseconds. So that's the new AI update for you. So I think we have discussed how BookingBee can technically address your challenges. Now let's explore how BookingBee adds value to your business by reducing the expense and increase your savings. I hope everybody here are business owners and of salons and spas, and everybody loves numbers as you like profit and revenue, right? So let's talk numbers here. So what if I told you BookingBee could save 40% annually on your call agent cost? I know everybody would be excited to know how this is going to be possible or how this is going to help or work, right? So let's see how much you spend. So let's assume you have 5 call agents to handle 36,000 calls every year, and the average salary per call agent per year is going to be $36,000. And for a year, it's $180,000. I guess it's a very huge to spend so much to answer your calls alone, right? Let's see how much you can save through the BookingBee once you have our system in your business. So even after having 2 call agents in your salon or spa in-house, BookingBee can replace 3 other call agents and still it can handle 36,000 calls all by itself. And $108,000 will be saved from the total expense that you have been spending over a year for just to answer those 36,000 calls. Now, after replacing your call agents with the BookingBee, you will be saved up to 40% of the total expense even after paying BookingBee its service cost. Yes, you heard it right. It's 40%. You don't have to do it anymore. So that's our mission. Our mission is to empower every salon and spa owner with a system that is both cost efficient and highly effective, ensuring real-time success for the business. And also, BookingBee provides a market professional as an assistant to be your virtual receptionist who could closely monitor all the calls handled by the AI system, making sure every inquiries and appointments are taken care of. I think we have came to the last session of the webinar. So I just wanted you people to ask any questions if you have so. Thanks, Henry, for the kind words. So we have the first question on the AI struggle with the understanding different accent. Okay. Yeah, we have another questions. Okay. So answering your first question, Tiffany. So as I mentioned earlier, REI has been trained with millions of parameters, giving it with the ability to understand different accent and respond to them with ease. We have another question. Thanks, Mario, for your kind words. How does the AI upsell services? Okay, cool. Okay, we have given a feature in our application where for each service, you can add up to 3 services to upsell. Once it is done, our AI will suggest additional service similar to how a human receptionist might recommend additional services. So that's how it's going to do the process of upselling to your customers. There are a lot of questions. Thanks, Robert. So I'm already using a virtual receptionist. You said you are going to provide a virtual receptionist along with your AI. Is it going to be an additional cost? Okay, we have another question. No. So actually, we just charge 99 cents per call. It comes with our AI system and a human on loop for every individual outlet with no hidden charges. Will it able to understand different languages? Marcus, thanks for the question, Marcus. Yeah. For right now, we are into US region right now, so it's English. English is our base right now, but we are trying to go to other cities too in future. Tony, while explaining the value you gave an example of a salon with 5 receptionists who attend calls, but we have only 2 receptionists, so is the product not for us? No, the solution is perfect for every salons. But if you really want to see the value of BookingBee creates in your business, it should be adopted by a salon which get large call volumes, like roughly, let's say 75 calls a day. So that's where the whole value of the BookingBee is going to provide you. Thanks, I'm overwhelmed that I'm getting so much questions here. I hope everybody had liked the system. So what if we get more than 10 to 15 calls at once? Yeah, that is a question was everybody was asking about what happens if everybody calls at the same time, 10 to 15 or even more. So yeah, BookingBee can handle infinite call simultaneously with the same speed and accuracy too, eliminating wait time that there is no need of a hunt group in your business. We have another two more questions. I don't want to take all other attendees' time here. So let's stop with the last question. So will the system call client that have not been in the salon for a while? Yeah, Henry, thanks for the question. So yes, we are trying to bring in, as I said earlier, right? So the AI system is not the end, it's a future. So that's what the product keep on getting updated. So previously the system what you saw is the system which just take an appointment, just ask for the service, it's asked for the date and time, it's asked for the customer's name. But the recent version what we showed you earlier, it upsold it, we could able to interact in between. So that's where the AI system is going through. But yes, in future we are trying to bring in a system which might do even a lot more than just calling or even doing that to your customer. Yeah. I hope I have answered all your questions, and moving forward, I will just get connected with you people through next call, and we'll show you a live demo too. And thank you once again for everybody to join, like who has joined this meeting. So I'm hoping to meet you in person, and also the people who have been using the system. By tomorrow, you'll be getting an update where you have all the features like upselling, the other communication interaction features all getting replaced by tomorrow. And hope everybody will like the system. We are there 24/7. Anything, you can just mail us. We'll be there to just sort you the problem. So thank you so much for joining the call. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.